pretend.
Hey guys!
Welcome and welcome back to our channel's besties.
We have a very exciting video for you guys. Exciting for you guys and exciting for us because it's the first of many. It's the first of many.
So in this video we were kindly sent this lovely parcel from Oodie, and today we're going to be unboxing it for you, giving you
a little review about it, what we think.
First time impressions.
Literally first time impressions, because as you can see we've not even opened it.
Wow. And just for you we have a special discount code that we're going to give to you at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that.
Make sure you watch the whole thing or you're going to miss it, and you don't want to miss it because it's a great code.
Exactly. If you like the video or want to see more of us, just make sure you subscribe to our channel. And let's get into the video.
Let's do it.
Open it. Open it. Cut it open. It's just the little scissors for me, like.
Little scissors. Okay.
Oh, okay, wait.
You getting somewhere?
Not sorry. I looked excited. It looks so pretty.
Ruin it for ourselves.
Okay, sorry, I'll close my eyes.
Oh. She said with her eyes wide open.
Okay, so
we actually got the same one.
yes.
So the colour will look exactly the same on both of us, if that makes sense.
Now, before we actually open it, let's put this down quickly. So, let's just explain a little bit about the company as a whole. So, the company, they essentially sell
Lots of different things.
I was about to go on.
Sorry.
Go on. Okay, no, they essentially sell blankets,
Robes, t-shirts, and what we got, which is the hoodie, or as many people call it, the like blanket jumper.
I was gonna say snooty, but that's not the word. Don't listen to me.
No, that's what the
It's
other
called
people
an
call
hoodie.
it. It's called an hoodie, so get it right. You might as well put it out. Oh, it comes in like them thingy packs.
Wow. Oh, this is nice.
Oh, it's got a little code on it.
Okay, wait. Can I open it and see?
How do we get it open?
I don't know. I have to actually like pull it.
How did you do that?
Just pop it.
Oh, you think I got the strength for that?
Okay, wait. Oh, you're on suction packs. Ready?
Well, hey,
There
you're in.
Muscles, baby. Oh, this is. Oh, it's soft.
This is so cute.
No, it's soft.
Oh, and it's like, you know that typical like snuggle feeling? It's literally that.
And it has such a lovely. It comes in this little card.
Oh, it's got a little bow to open.
Oh, wait, you guys ready? Should we all just do it together? 3, 2, 1.
It's so annoying.
Oh
no, not the
oh,
needle
no,
knot.
yeah, there's a knot. I thought it was gonna elegantly
Yeah,
fall
you might
apart.
need to do this for me because my nails won't allow.
Okay. Oh, this is-
Ooh.
oh, she
She's
thick.
thick.
Oh, wow.
Oh, God. There she. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, whack me in the face, why don't you with it?
I am so sorry.
alright.
Oh,
But guys,
she's soft. Okay, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put it on. Okay.
We'll show you guys.
So, should we do a little cute
Should we
transition?
do, yeah, I was going to say, should we do a transition?
What type of transition do we want? We want to like slap it.
Do you want to go like a...
Okay, okay, this is what we're gonna do. Ready?
I don't know why I
3,
have sound effects,
2,
but...
1.
Wait,
That focus took so much longer.
We're going to really hope that worked and that it pictured in the way we wanted it.
Oh.
But guys, I feel like I'm on a cloud.
Nah, because you know how filthy this is.
If you know me, you know I'm like always cold.
You
and
know I'm
this
always
is
hot.
literally the warmest thing ever.
And if you know me, I'm always hot. So I'm never, you know me, I'm never really normally a soft, fluffy, cozy girl, you know. I like things to be off my body. But this, because it's so big,
Yeah, it's
and
like airy.
Exactly. I've got the air and now I'm just like, you know
Ooh.
what? I feel like just walking outside with it. But like, I don't think that's a smart idea to do.
And you know what? I really like the colour that we went for. At first I was a bit, I hope like the blue's not going to be like that really dark blue. Do you know what I mean? Because then it just looks a bit funky.
Because they have loads of different options.
A lot. They have
options.
prints, like literally like avocados. They have like little...
Like kind of like graphic ones, because there was like a Pokemon one we saw, and I was like, maybe I want that, but then I was like, oh, I can only choose one. And you know what's funny? We chose the exact same one.
Literally, like we didn't even
discuss
it
it
amongst
or
each other.
anything.
Like, I
chose
literally
it.
messaged her and I was like, okay, I need to like do this. What one do you want? And she was like, oh, I think I'm I'm gonna get the, what was it, the how is this called? The blue tie-dye
The blue tie-dye, yeah,
and I was
yeah.
like, you read my mind, because that's literally the one I was going to pick.
And let me show you guys. It has
Pockets.
this giant ass pocket. You see this?
Look.
Giant pockets.
You literally can fit your whole freaking arm in there, and you're like this. Like, look at that.
Sorry, we're getting overly excited here, but I don't think you guys understand. Like,
It's just cozy.
we should. You know what we should do?
What?
We should have like a movie night and then just like wear
Snuggle in.
snuggle. No, you guys. Honestly, you guys ain't even on our wave. You guys ain't as cool as us.
And let me just say, I know there's a lot of like dupes flying around. Primark has done it. All these other like online brands have done it. But honestly, coming from me who's actually tried from different places, nothing beats this one. Because it's just thick, but not like, how do I word it? It's like thick, but a good thick. Not thick like too hot. Does that make sense? Like as in, it's a nice thickness to it.
Normally at this point, I'm like melting.
Get it off me kind of thing.
Especially because like we got the ring light and
we've got the light on us.
But it's just perfect. So if you're someone that gets hot, take my word. Like I ain't gonna lie to you on this one.
We're honest on this channel, and if we don't approve of something,
Partly honest. No, we're always honest. Sorry.
I'm personally always honest.
always
I'm going to
honest.
speak for myself.
I'm always honest.
But we wouldn't, personally, I don't think we'd approve or recommend something if we didn't think it was worth it. And quite frankly, if you're really that person that does get really hot, like we said, they have the sleep tees. So that's always an idea. Because it's meant to be like a good quality tee.
You know, like
and like the long ones.
tees.
Yeah. But obviously a t-shirt way. So if that's more your thing, they've got many of those. And if colour print sort of thing is not your vibe, they have solid colours. I saw a grey one there. So you know, if you prefer more just the one colour thing, they got you.
And also very quickly, we just want to show you the inside.
It's like really like fluffy,
it's
soft. It's almost like that fleece hoodie material, which makes sense because you know it's in the form of a jumper.
Do you think, I don't think, okay, hear me out, hear me out everyone.
She's beginning.
Okay, because you know, it's soft, right? If I wear this, like, it's currently May, right? It's not too hot in the UK, you know, UK's fluctuates.
Yeah, we all know the UK's weather likes to be temperamental.
I believe I could still go out and wear this, and if someone asks me, I'm going to be like, hey, this is where I got it from. You know what I'm saying?
This is definitely something you want to know where it's from.
But overall first impressions, my personal first impressions, oh, I like it. I like it, me. You know, it's just a little bit of me. I'm like I said, I'm not really a warmy person, but this, I'm sold. Maybe I should just buy like 25
Use our own
others.
discount code. Why not?
That's exactly what I should do. No, because they have like so many, and they had like the star sign one. Like,
yes,
like,
I did see that.
And I was gonna get that one, but then I was like, wait, I can't get that one. But like at the same time, I could. But like I didn't. That was such a stupid rant, but I just wanted to let you guys know.
And just to let you guys know, this is all one size, so
yes,
whatever your size is, you're guaranteed to get into it one way or the other.
Do you think an extra person can fit into one? Like,
probably.
I was gonna say let's try it, but that I don't want to come and do that. Then that was stupid.
This is what the hood looks like.
Wait, there was a hood. Oh my gosh, there was a wait. There was a hood. Wait.
I mean, ignore what I look like now because I look a bit bold, but there's a little hood. And it's just so nice and easy in the hood.
I did not know there was a hood. Look how cool I look.
We look sick in our hoodies.
Come on.
Oh, fluffy hug. Oh, no, we're falling. Oh no, we're falling.
This is so pretty.
It's just, I think this was probably, quite frankly, this was one of my favourite prints. Like I said, the dupes that I previously got, they were both ironically in grey, just like different tones of grey. And I was like, I'm not going to get another grey one. I want to mix it up a little bit.
Get a bit of colour.
Get a bit of colour.
You know,
we are reaching,
get a bit of colour.
The brighter days, so you know.
And you know one thing about this, just in case you were wondering, it is also cruelty free.
It is cruelty free.
So you know there's no harming on animals because you know we don't support that round here.
And in case we haven't said it enough, it's super soft.
Super soft and fluffy.
As per the label.
Super fluffy. I can't wait, you know, I'm going to wear this. Don't get me wrong, I'm still going to wear this now, but I can't wait now for winter because it'll be cold out
this
here.
This is going to be great for winter.
It'll be cold out here. Even
the days...
Like, summer.
The days that I go to Alexis' house and we're watching on her little
projector,
this is going to be my body. And you know what I'm thinking of?
What?
You know, like how we like to do our late night drives to Tesco.
We can wear this.
This is
we can wear this to the shop
perfect
and then
for that.
like,
and everyone's just going to be like, who are those cool girls?
And then when they ask us, we can actually just tell them like, hey, this is where we got them from. Bro, they want to be us so badly.
They want to be us so bad.
We're so what?
Annoying.
No, we're unique.
Yeah, we'll go with unique.
So, we're gonna wrap up this video.
If you guys want to purchase your own hoodie, we're going to leave all the details in the description box, including the link to the one we've got if you want to be part of the Cool Girl Club. And
I feel like everybody should get one of this just so you can be a part of us, so you can understand what we're thinking, because we ain't gonna lie to you.
we're definitely
I'm not gonna sell you dreams, not yet anyways. Not for this, I'm not gonna sell you dreams anyways. But I like it.
And unfortunately 4D doesn't exist yet through like camera qualities, so you're just gonna have to get your own one to really feel the comfiness that comes with getting a hoodie and wearing one.
And what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave our discount code on the screen for you,
Everywhere, somewhere over here,
where you can get yourself
£35 off. And
Like,
if that's not a bargain, I personally don't know what
bro,
is.
because in this cost of living, the cost of living is really cost of living
with us,
And
because it's not cute. So.
it's really not. So we're over here giving you a discount. You know, you might as well take it.
We're such great people.
Exactly.
We want to share our love with you.
Honestly. But without further ado, that is the end of this week's video.
Yes. And we hope you guys enjoyed.
We hope you better have.
you
better have taken everything we said on board, and you better be right now on the website, on your phone or your tablets or
Make
whatever
sure to
device.
have your card at hand, and if you don't, make sure you've got your Apple Pay at hand or your whatever
PayPal, whatever you
use.
want to use. And you're already on the website searching, because I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't
And
know
if we haven't
why.
said it already, our one is the blue tie-dye hoodie. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We got it. I don't know where that came from, but I had to go with it.
Thank you so much for watching to this point, and if you have watched to this point, just make sure you like and subscribe to our channel for more content.
And make sure to turn on that post notification bell so that you do know when we next upload.
And if you are to this point as well as the last point, you know, because there's a lot of points in this video, you might as well follow our social medias, which will be linked here on the screen, or will also be linked down below for your entertainment, because did we not just entertain them this whole video?
Call us the Queen of Entertainment.
Queens.
Sorry, I was going to correct myself. Queens
I don't know.
of Entertainment, because
Look at her.
I don't believe there's anyone higher up than us, personally. And I think me and my hoodie will agree.
But we love you guys.
And we will see you guys next week.
Bye.